Today's video I have the August TOYL box. Let's get in here to see what goodies we've got. Hi there guys and welcome. Today's video I have, that's very sticky. Today's video I have the August TOYL box. So here we have the edit card with the information on all the products, so that's going to come in very useful throughout the video, so we will be looking at that in just a moment. This is what it looks like inside, very neat and tidy. I'm just going to move everything up top so we can have a little sneaky peek. Here you go guys, there is a sneak peek. It seems to be a lot of products in this box this month, which is fabulous. Definitely not complaining about that. Love that there's lots of products in here. So if you are interested in this box is $39.99, basically £40 per month. This is one of the most expensive boxes I purchase every month. And yeah, there is a code on their website. I don't know if it still works, so check it on out if you are interested in purchasing this. It should get you 50% off your first box. It's code HELLO. I'll link it down below and pop the code there. So yeah, if you want to check it out, feel free to do so. Just take another quick look at the edit card. So on here it has the name of the edit and it is called Fine Line Fix. I really like the sound of that because I have a lot of fine lines. Let's check these products out. If you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over, enjoy my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Okay guys, so the first product we're going to start off with is the replacement product that they have sent in the box, and it is this. So this is by the brand Temple Spa and it is a toning essence. So let's have a look. This was sent instead of this product here. So we have a little spare leaflet for that one. It says, we've never had a product not arrive in time, but there's a first time for everything. Rather than seeing you disappointed, we replaced it with some help from Best of British Beauty Brand 2022 Temple Spa. So let's first talk about the product that we should have got. It should have been this one. So it should have been by the brand Marine Elements and it should have been an ultra intensive cream. That had a value of $24.99. So I'm not going to go and read all of this because the video will be ages if I do. But yeah, that is what it should have been. But instead, yes, we do have the Essence Toner. So this has a value of £20. So it is $4.99 cheaper than the product we should have got. But we won't hold that against them. So let's have a look. An alcohol-free facial cleansing toner that cools and refreshes your skin. The cleansing finale of your daily skincare routine, toning removes deeply embedded debris and the final traces of cleanser to leave the skin squeaky clean and ready for your favourite moisturizer. Yeah, that sounds nice to me. You know, I love a good toner, and if this works great on my skin, I will be very happy indeed. So this refines and tones, cools and refreshes. It's gentle with a pH balanced formulation, leaves skin radiant and looking healthy looking. Yeah, cool. So this is the one. I'll show you what it looks like, but I'm not going to open it up. I want to keep it nice and sealed. But as you can see, very decent size. There is 150 mils in there, which is great. Yeah, really like the packaging. Have I had anything from this brand before? I might have had one or two things ages ago. But guys, my memory is awful. Like, disgusting memory. So if I have got that wrong, I do apologise. But yeah, can't wait to try that. I love toners. So the second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Freeze Frame and it is called Wrinkle Block. This has a value of £45 and it just says, with 2 powerful peptides, Wrinkle Block not only slows down the visible expressions which create wrinkle creases, it simultaneously charges skin with the energy it needs to bounce back from expression trauma. Okay. Blocks expressions by up to 82% in 30 minutes for up to 48 hours. Oh, I'm excited to try this. Close to 40% wrinkle reduction in 7 days, with 60% less wrinkles within 28 days. Eye bags reduce close to 76% in 7 days, and over 72% improvement in skin radiance in 7 days. That sounds so good. Again, I'm not gonna open it up and unseal the product, but I will just show you the packaging it comes in. So that is what it looks like. I am intrigued. I'm dying to open that up to see what that's like in there, but I'm gonna resist. Really trying to resist. Remove the cap, twist the base anti-clockwise to raise the stick. Ah, right, so yeah, there's a stick in there. Okay. Hey, if that can work for me, that would make me a very happy girly indeed. The third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Skin Sense, and it's an anti-aging retinol serum. Ooh, this has a value of £39. Let's have a look. So retinol, vitamin A, works by stimulating the skin's natural cell renewal process, which in turn promotes a fresher, more youthful looking complexion. A double encapsulation of retinol ensures not only a stable and sustained delivery to the skin, but also reduces the risk of overloading the skin and risking irritation. Let's just have a look. Again, with the price of this, I am not going to unseal it, but oh, I like that packaging. That looks very nice. Yeah, we have a pump mechanism. Yeah, seriously, cannot wait to use that. I love using retinol. Fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand SOS, and it is H2O. So this is a hydrating, moisturising day cream and SPF 30 in here, which is absolutely fabulous. And it just says here that luxurious white truffle has multiple anti-aging effects, including helping to reduce wrinkles and increase the skin's thickness, while green grape stem cell drastically raises the antioxidant defences of the skin and delivers a long-lasting protection. Silky texture which is rapidly absorbed by the skin, with active plant stem cells to stimulate new skin cell production and improve skin elasticity. Low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, oh my goodness, hyaluronic acid locks in essential moisture for smooth, soft, healthy looking skin. Anti-aging ingredients that have been shown to reduce wrinkles, improve skin firmness, tone and significantly improve skin hydration. Broad spectrum UVA and UVB sun protection, SPF 30. Oh, I'm really struggling to talk today, I do apologise, but this is it here. This has an RRP of £17. I've got so many creams on the go. I shouldn't open it. No, I'm not. I'm going to be good. I'm really sorry, guys, but I'm going to be good. But yeah, what a box so far. What else have we got in here? The fifth item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Cora Organics, and this is Active Algae Lightweight Moisturizer. This has an RRP of £20. A lightweight gel moisturizer that provides long-lasting soothing hydration and evens skin tone without any excess shine. Packed with bioactive lipids, essential fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals from certified organic green algae, green tea, alpine rose and Swiss glacier water. This moisturizer releases a burst of hydration and anti-aging properties for softer, more supple skin. Wow, so this has an RRP of £20 and it's tiny. The ingredients sound amazing. I love it when my skin feels lush and hydrated. We'll open this one. I gotta open at least one thing here. That's what it looks like. So there we go. Ooh, oh, yeah. So yeah, it does feel like a cross between a gel and a cream, and that sinks in beautifully. Can you see the glow on that? Oh, that is super hydrating. That's lush. That's lush. Wow. Sixth item we have in here is this. So this is by Rodial, and this is snake jelly eye patches. So there is one set in here, a patch for each eye, so 2 patches, and it just says these bold eye patches work to mimic the tightening effects of viper venom. Ooh, to help smooth and lift the under eye area, combining an expert blend of botanical leaf extracts including basil, chamomile and persimmon leaf with glycerin. The cooling jelly texture delivers an antioxidant rich serum that works to hydrate and lock in moisture for healthy supple under eye. I love eye patches. I've said it in many of my videos, I love just getting my eye patches, slapping them on and just forgetting about them. I mean, it does say here, yeah, leave them on for 20 to 30 minutes. Mostly with all of my eye patches, I kind of forget that then I just leave them on. But yeah, and I love Rodial. Rodial is an amazing brand, so really happy with that. Then there is actually a 7th product in the box. It's a little mini treat. So this is by the brand Isoclean, and it's brush cleaner. You know, I've received some of this before and I haven't got around to using it yet. I'm gonna have to have a go at it and see what it's like. And it just says makeup brush cleaner is about to become an essential part of your skincare routine, removing germs, dust, dirt, makeup and dead skin that accumulate on your makeup tools in just 60 seconds. It's vegan, it's cruelty free. That sounds absolutely fab. So in this little baggie, yeah, look, it is just a little mini extra treat there. Yeah, I've got quite a few of these now. I need to actually try them. And there's just a leaflet in there just telling you about it, I think. Yeah, telling you how to use it. Cool. Hi guys, so this is the Fine Line Fix Edit for the August TOYL box. What do you think? Personally, I think this box is pretty fantastic. Has some great products in here. The value of this box, fabulous, absolutely fabulous. Got to love some eye patches. It has 2 what sounds like really decent moisturizers in here. Can't wait to use that toner and that Wrinkle Block. Yeah, we need to try that out. And then of course, with a little special treat that we've got in there, a little mini treat I should say. Yeah, definitely gets a thumbs up from me. What do you think? Comment down below. Do you get this box? If you're interested, I'll link it down below. It has that code there where you can get your first box for half price. But yeah, I can't complain about that box. I really like it. That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.